friend me.
Oh Lord, she one of them.
On May 27, 2025,
this is gonna be a
an
video.
officer stopped a vehicle that was reported to be driving recklessly.
Get your shit ready. You heard me. I stay ready. Dang. I'm gonna punch you in your face.
You're threatening to punch me in the face.
She was?
You're just dumb.
No.
Damn, why you look like yo shit?
Hi.
I'd have been like, man,
Do you have bad
what's up with
experience
this
at Pinellas
bitch,
County
man?
Sheriff's Office?
I have a lot of experience.
You're gonna have another one if you don't calm down.
No, I can calm down. I'm so
Okay,
right now.
he came back
Like,
with a
this
little
is
whoop
actually
whoop.
ridiculous.
It sounds like you're just getting a ticket.
That's fine.
And then you can go about your way.
She can surely write me a ticket since she wanted to follow me since she's bored.
I mean, I feel the lady got pulled
That's
over, man,
completely
because
fine.
you know
Take it to
police
court.
do be
Yes,
just
take it to court.
following you.
in
Like,
court.
But
you
if
be
you-
like,
absolutely
yo,
absurd.
you
If
look
you
in your
battle-
rearview mirror, see
If
this?
you battle us out
Into
here,
my
They be just
neighborhood.
tripping. You be like, man, I feel like they just be picking with you.
She was the one from the BOLO.
They got a sign on the back like, pull me over.
Here, she did a stop bar violation, so I stopped her.
You still do welfare check based on the BOLO.
She look like she a bored goofy.
Why is she all hot?
Because as soon as I pulled up, that's where I walked up.
Because we don't like
And
police.
as I'm sitting here,
Why she mad? Come on, back.
I
Y'all
didn't
don't know
even have
this?
to keep driving, but she was following me.
You look like she a
When you were
nurse.
sitting in your car, she was yelling at you?
She was on the phone with her mom. She's yelling, "I'm gonna punch her in the face. She's gonna I'm gonna go to jail today, mom."
what's the ticket for?
Okay, she talking to her mama, not you.
Stop! I stopped
What?
past the stop sign.
Just because
apparently,
your
and that one right
antennas
there,
was
apparently.
up and you overheard her conversation
to
about
court.
you,
But this is absolutely ridiculous.
officer.
Following me for what?
I have no idea. I don't know why she was following you. Maybe there was something else about your car she didn't like. No idea.
I just got into an accident. because
Damn, my
they
man
stopped at
said
the stop
something that
sign
she ain't
again.
like about your
So
car.
my car doesn't drive
They do
perfectly
that?
right
They
now.
can pull you over for that?
So you're mad at her for enforcing
I'm
something
mad
that
at her for following me for no reason.
Okay, well you can't
So
threaten
you guys can just sit there and follow people?
you can't threaten to punch us either.
So you guys can just sit there and
understand
follow
what I'm saying?
people for no reason.
You can't-
Without a reason to do so?
Sure.
641 coming call, 570 back. Go welfare check.
The infamous 2-3 people rolling up.
Get out. You can get out.
For what?
You're going to jail.
For what?
Get out of the car.
What? What's she going to jail for?
I'm gonna get out of the. I will get out of the
I'm gonna
vehicle.
cut your
I will
seatbelt.
get out. Let me get out. Oh my God, this is absolutely ridiculous.
No, it's not.
She cut the
What's
seatbelt?
absolutely ridiculous
Oh,
is
I was about to say, how the fuck they do that?
Pull.
That bitch was
Stop
fast.
pulling my hair.
Yeah, that was a long ass seatbelt.
Here. She's going in your car.
Mindless.
So you're on the phone with your mom?
They
Yep.
sheriffs.
She can come and get your
Damn,
car.
she must have.
Cool.
She had to be bored. I ain't
We
gonna
can do
hold
it,
you,
it
yo.
doesn't matter to me.
If she just got buked by sheriffs,
All right, well,
she
whatever,
had to
then.
be
No,
bored as
just have her
fuck,
come
yo.
get it.
You know what I'm saying? Because sheriffs don't pull you over.
All right.
5 cops for
They
what?
knock on your fucking door and, hey, nigga, you so and so, bro.
I'm
I
walking.
got a warrant for your arrest, bro. Come with me.
Just tell me what to do and I can do it. You don't need to touch me.
I mean, I could be wrong because
You guys gave me
whatever
one
the
direction to do.
what
Didn't give me
pineless,
0.2 seconds to get out of the
spineless
car,
ass
so,
niggas. That's what
yeah.
they spineless. But Pineless County, whatever sheriff. Yeah, I guess they do the pulling over.
Hello? Anyone still on the phone? Nope. Okay.
Bitch,
Keys.
you know you ain't supposed to touch that.
Wallet.
I'm gonna hang the phone. Big Migo might not know this, but
What's
okay.
your code so we can call
Don't
your
fault
mom?
me, y'all.
I think she right there.
Okay. The black pickup truck?
Yeah. That's her boyfriend. Okay. Yes, please record. Because they've already manhandling the out of it.
Oh, it's her mom's boyfriend or something like that.
Get me out of the car.
25 feet away.
Okay.
And then
And he look
if
like
they wanna
a
take the car,
Doug
he's
or
got a pass to get a driver's
Steve.
license.
cop.
All right, so you
Like,
have to stay
Steve.
25 feet away
Well,
according
yeah,
to the Florida
buddy.
law. Yeah,
Bullshit.
yeah, that's a new law.
That is not a new law.
That is a new
Let
law.
me see that. Where is that?
Look
Let me
it
see
up.
where it's written.
Look it up. Now, if you
Sergeant.
want to take, if you want to take her vehicle, you can take
Florida.
her vehicle.
I want to know
They
what
always
is
in
going
Florida.
on.
I'm getting arrested for threatening them, apparently.
She's a
I want to
spicy
know the
fucking
whole situation.
nurse.
She got
She
stopped.
must have had a bad day.
Okay.
Apparently,
In her
she's-
neighborhood.
She's been well.
In her
A-
neighborhood. So you
a
stop
neighborhood.
people in their neighborhood?
A neighborhood.
No, a neighborhood is her neighborhood. So
Okay.
don't say a neighborhood. This is her neighborhood.
Does it make you
Okay.
feel better if I say her neighborhood?
Go ahead.
Don't touch me. Anybody else can deal with you.
Hey, yo, she. Go shut him up real quick. Don't say a neighborhood. Say her
She didn't
neighborhood.
get cited. She didn't agree with the violation. She threatened to touch
Okay.
What's my name?
Yeah. Identify yourself.
Deputy Mike Valenti.
Okay.
61652.
Okay. And you too?
Deputy Figicelli, 59060.
Okay.
How
And what's
big
your
we
name?
go?
I don't.
I'm
you
only
need
here
to-
commentating.
You're 25
watching.
feet away.
Okay, but I wanna-
You're
I
going to go
want
to jail
theirs.
too. 25 feet away.
I'm well. This
We're
is
giving
this
you a
isn't
lawful
25.
order to stay
This is
outside
25.
of this
This
investigation.
is
okay.
This
Why
is
you
your
ain't got no
final
hair,
order. This
dude?
is a new
Looking like a
law.
bowling
If
ball.
you interfere
Looking
with
like a
this
soccer ball.
investigation,
Looking like a
you will go
golf
to
ball.
jail.
All right.
You understand? You have
Ball.
been warned, as it is
Ball is.
stated in the statute that
That
is
shit
required.
shiny as
Trip right
fuck.
now going, aren't we?
We're not done recording with our cell phones.
Yes, you are
So I
recording.
can't look at his
Say-
head, man.
Yes, you just. I'm not the one recording.
With my cell phone.
That's you.
Well,
Do you have your driver's
okay.
license on you, or are you trying to take the car? Or...
I am gonna take the car.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license on you? I got to make sure that you are valid. Can you take it out for me?
Oh my god, you think you're so big and bad and above everything.
She has
else.
the
That's
biggest
crazy.
glasses
You think
on
you're
her
so
face, bro.
Because you're a police officer. That's crazy.
Oh my gosh.
You're just nothing.
Drop that.
Every time I'm gonna videotape.
429 and valid, please.
Good. Shows that we're doing our job. Appreciate it.
Her children must be pissed at her when she wanna be mad at them.
You're not
Oh my
even telling the
gosh.
story, so-
Well,
I just did.
You did not. You just said.
You just don't want to listen.
You just said she
as you
something
see,
in the neighborhood.
her man ain't come.
Okay, all
'cause
off
she might
of.
not
All
got
off of
one.
what? What did she do?
She rolled the
Mama,
stop sign.
man, the mama
What stop
boyfriend,
sign did she
right?
roll?
Wasn't here for it.
Do you have your license on you? She wants you to take the car.
Was that the mama boyfriend? Oh, was that her
Yeah,
boyfriend?
the,
If that's her
Okay.
boyfriend, I'm wrong again.
Right now, she's going to throw it in the call notes.
Okay, she said that you can take the
Stop
car. We just
it.
got to verify your license
You
and then you can
feel
get
me?
on out of here. Okay? Give us just a minute.
Y'all ain't got nothing better to do with yourself.
Nope, but build some
'Cause
good
there's nobody you
entertainment
feel
for us to,
crimes or
you know,
anything.
especially me. I post this right here. It's good entertainment.
This is the same.
Okay. Oh, well, I'm not going to throw mine up on YouTube later.
I'm not gonna throw mine on YouTube either.
Okay.
I'm not that guy.
What? I
I'm the
am.
guy that's trying to figure out what's going on with the call hysterical. So that's
Or else we wouldn't be reacting,
Had to
would we?
call 5 cops over one girl. You're crazy. Oh my god, can't handle shit, huh?
And you know the
can't
cop
handle
just lied because he posted this on
Absolutely
YouTube.
crazy.
This is where I got it from.
I think it's still running. Yep. Yes, sir.
Cause you caught me at the worst
Man, she got
possible
comfortable.
time. Like I was already having the worst day possible, and then you were like, if it's the fact that you were following me that shit irked me so bad. And then failure to
Irks
stop
me.
at the stop sign, stopping past it, barely,
Man, your
barely.
glasses is irking me. You need some contacts or something, bro. Just like,
Well, shouldn't have followed me.
Yeah, she's a hothead, so.
That was in the presence of a deputy. We actually
Obviously.
because we got a call of a reckless driver BOLO.
Mhm.
They gave her exact vehicle description and tag and saying that she was in the area of Starkey. So my deputy just happened to be in the exact area, sees the car pull into the neighborhood. In addition, she runs a stop sign. That's the reason for the traffic stop. And she was a hothead. So
now the guy's like humble.
Oh, because you think you're so big and tough. That's crazy. It's funny, actually. It's quite funny.
I mean, You're
And
pretty
you're
funny
to stop at
sometimes.
the stop sign.
Look at
Because
you.
you stopped past it.
She's funny as
Oh,
shit.
you're
So funny.
absolutely
What
ridiculous.
the hell is wrong with these people?
It's okay. Maybe one day
When you
you'll
get
have
pulled
a life,
over,
and
man,
then you'll
you
feel good
got
about
just the
yourself
worst
without having to
attitude
bring
of all
other
time.
people
You don't
down
even know
for
what you be
nothing.
saying. You
Or
just
maybe one day
rambling
you'll
about
actually be a real
whatever.
cop
You
and get to
just
fight real crime. That
just
would be cool, huh? Because I'm sure that's
I
probably
fig.
why you got into this.
Talking
Was
any
to do
shit
some
you can
real
say.
crime.
You don't even give a fuck if it makes sense. You just like,
No? Have you?
she gonna
Why?
drop
Just
the
because I'm
quotas,
talking
man. And I'm
down on you
surprised,
means
bitch.
that
You
I
be
was
like,
diagnosed with
man, you know
something?
what it is, nigga. Need your bonus. You need the
Because, you know,
woo
not like
woo
you'd have
woo.
anything better to do with yourself.
That shit
But
be lit
no, you
though.
want to
They don't give
follow
a fuck.
people and do whatever you can to get your quota. I know how it
What
works
I
at
just
the end of
say?
the month. It's
What I say?
alright.
What I say? See, we all know this.
Hopefully you met it.
Till next time, y'all. Appreciate you watching.